Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to any video. In this particular video, I want to share with you tips on how you can make money online, particularly on Buzzer app. So if you are here for the first time or you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Cynthia and on this channel I do tutorials on how to make money online. So consider subscribing, like the video, and also turn on the notification. Without further ado, guys, but social media app or social media platform where you can make money by just creating content. Oh yes, you heard me right. Okay, we have social media platforms that are paying for content creators, right? The same as Buzzer, it can pay you or it pays because it is something that has been going on. Okay, so it pays content creators for content that they upload on the app. So you too, you can. I have made and I'm still making, so you too, you can do the same. So what you have to do is watch this video until the end for you to understand the whole process, how everything works and how to get started. Okay, and I've also done video before. You can either watch it, it can pop up on the screen, or you can check the video link on the description of this video so that you can go learn how to register, how to get started. Okay, so in here I'm just going to do maybe touch some parts, but maybe I may not maybe show you the exact way to register. Okay, so if you watch that video, you'll be able to understand the registration process better. Okay, so what kind of content are being paying people to do on the Buzzer app? So Buzzer app is social media platform whereby if you do the content, they will pay views, and at the same time there is something I really love about it. They have their own coin. So Buzzer app is a social media app, and at the same time it's a crypto, though it is still under development. But in this 2026, maybe June or May, they are going to list the coin. So Buzzer Hub, it has its own coin whereby the more you interact, the more you earn points, and these points, by the time the coin is launched, they're going to be turned into coin. Okay, they are points, but the time the coin will be listed, they're going to be turned into the coin itself. So the number of the amount you'll make from the points will be determined by the number of points you have. Okay, the earlier the better. You can register immediately after watching this video because it is free. They won't ask you for money in order to register. Okay, so the process is so simple. You only need you only need an email address. You need to upload your picture after you install the app. You need to update your profile picture and also your email address, and after that you'll be good to go. You can start creating content. Buzzer app pay content creators per 1,000 view. Okay, so they pay you 10 cents for every 1k views. So if you have 20,000 views, you can imagine that. And I'm gonna give you a tip, kind of content that if you upload on the platform, it's gonna explode. Okay, so watch this video because I'm going to give that tip in the next 2 minutes. So make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so after that, okay, you'll need to have, okay, though it is not compulsory, but it is required. I'm gonna put the code, my own code. I'm gonna put it so that when you register, when they ask you referral code, you can paste it there or write it manually in that space. For me, it's not but this is my request because I've done this video. It took me time because it wasn't easy with my baby to do a content because I was planning to do it since morning, but I ended up doing it right now. It is night, but I have to do it because it is when she is sleeping, so I can have my own time to do this video. So you only appreciate me by putting my own code. Okay, put my code in the space where they'll ask you to put a referral code. I'm gonna leave the code on the comment and also on the description of the video. So this is the tip that I wanted to give you guys. For you to get more views and for you to get more followers, because they will pay you per 1k view regardless of the number of followers you have. They don't look for followers or subscribers. So long as your content is being appreciated, so long as your content is being viewed with a big number of people, they're gonna pay you. So they don't care whether you have 2 followers or so. what they want is the views. Okay, so if you want to make more money, or if you want to get more views on Buzzer app, make sure you do a football niche. So this is the kind of niche people love on Buzzer app. Football niche, I mean upload football niche. How to get the football viral videos? Just go to TikTok or Facebook, then take the videos, the viral already viral videos, then upload it. Make sure it is 15 seconds or 10 seconds or even 9 seconds. Okay, if it is too large, you can reduce it up to 10 or even 12 seconds. Okay, so you just upload. You can add tags and also hashtags. You can tag people. Okay, so that way you will get more views, and also people will start following you, and boom, you'll start making more money on Buzzer app. Guys, that is all I wanted to share this evening, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and consider subscribing if you haven't. And again, see you in my next video, guys.